guys, what's up? It's me and welcome back to my channel. Let's make some rainbow lava lamps, guys. All you need is 4 glasses or containers, food coloring, oil, water, and some Alka-Seltzer. Let's get started. Let's pour a quarter of water in each of these glasses. Next step, let's add the oil. Oh, that's heavy. Next, we're gonna add 10 drops of each color. Here's the blue one. Now guys, you should watch the magic. And there you have it. Lava lamps. Ah, it's hot! It's hot! Look at that, guys. Those are some pretty cool lava lamps. And it's still hot. Ow! Test for yourself, guys. Alright, guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye!